Good morning, Facebook. This is Charles Diggs. Good morning. I won't be on here long. I'm just going to wait for some people to come in. And if this is your first time being on this live, why don't you just put in hashtag replay and also where you're from. Okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this morning I just want to invite you out to a webinar tonight at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. This amazing program, a group of a community of people that are making money online. And so I just want to invite you out to the webinar. The particular program that I'm involved in, you do not have to sell. You do not have to recruit people to earn income. Lots of times we may join different types of programs that we have to recruit. We have to bring in people to make sales and to create income for ourselves online. But with this particular program, you don't have to do that. Only thing you have to do is do daily tasks every day. Simple tasks that a regular newbie can do. So come on out to that. This webinar is a free webinar. And so you'll understand everything about the particular program. So I'd just like to thank you from Hear Me Out about this opportunity. I hope you come out. I invite you as my guest. I'll be there, okay? So I really thank you. God bless, and I'm out.